In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the background of text in Card. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to give your text a solid background so it stands out on your page. Start by going to Card and opening your site in the Builder. This works on a new or existing page, so just make sure you're in edit mode and can see the canvas and the sidebar. Next, click the Add Plus icon to insert a new element. From the element list, choose Text. A text box appears and you'll see its settings in the sidebar. Type the words you want to highlight. Keep it short and clear for best results, since a compact line of text reads well inside a background block. Now you'll create the box that carries the background. Click Add again, and this time choose Container. Think of a container as a wrapper. It can hold other elements and has its own style options, including background color. With the container selected, click the brush icon to open its design or style settings. In the background section, choose the background option, then select color. Pick a solid color that contrasts with your text. You can adjust opacity if you want a softer look that lets a bit of the page show through. Choosing a color that meets accessibility contrast guidelines helps with readability. With the container styled, place the text inside it. Click and drag the text element into the container until you see it nest there. This ensures the colored background belongs to the box around your text, not the entire page. If you don't see the background behind the words, the text likely isn't inside the container yet. Try dragging it again and watch for the nesting indicator. Position the container where you want it on the canvas. Centered headings work well, but feel free to align it to match your layout. That's it. You've added text, created a container, set its background color, and placed the text inside to achieve a clean, readable text background in Card.